ओम वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। We will do the lesson. चतुर्दशः पाठः। भ्राता स्वसा च यः श्वः परश्वः अद्य वार्ता तर्जनी। अत्र एकः बालकः एका बालिका च तिष्ठतः। तौ पाठालयात् आगच्छता। द्वे वाक्ये पूर्वं पठितं नौ। नेक्स्ट वाक्यं। Please type your name in the chat box. Rameshwari.
सा बालिका तस्य बालकस्य स्वसा अस्ति।
Yes. का अस्ति?
सा बालिका अस्ति।
बालिका अस्ति। कस्य सम्बन्धः बालकस्य?
स्वसा बालकस्य स्वसा सिस्टर।
स्वसृ शब्द। What do you decline it? कथं भवति स्वसृ शब्दः?
स्वसा स्वसरो
स्वसारो
ओके स्वसा स्वसारो
स्वसारः स्वसारं स्वसारो स्वसृः। No. Okay. I think yeah, we'll chant that shabda. You have to memorize this shabda.
So it's like
Not like matra. No.
No.
How can be pitru? Pitru shabdaha tu pullingaha. Na matra shabdavatapi.
Okay.
Swasru is a vishesha shabdaha. Swasa, swasaro. Okay. Can repeat all of you. Memorize this shabda. Swasa, okay. Rikarantah, strilingah, swasr, shabdah.
ऋकारन्तः
स्त्रीलिङ्गः
स्त्रीलिङ्गः
Swasa, swasaro, swasarah.
स्वसारो स्वसारः
Swasaram, swasaro, swasruh.
स्वसारं स्वसारो स्वसृः
मात्र शब्दस्य द्वितीया भक्ति बहुवचनं किम्?
पितरौ
मात्र शब्द
मातृः
द्वितीया विभक्ति बहुवचन रूप
It is मातृः
मातरौ
नथिंग बहुवचन ओके द्वितीया विभक्ति बहु she said मातृः तद्वत् स्वसृः all Srilinga shabda you will see द्वितीया विभक्ति रूपम would be that दीर्घ ऋकार ऋः पितृ शब्द
पितॄन्
पितरः
no
पितरं पितरं
पितॄन्
पितॄन्
पितॄन् भ्रातॄन् कर्तॄन् नकारस्य मूर्धनि नकारादेशः भवति किम्? Yes
No.
or no?
No,
Why?
no,
Why?
it's a padanta.
पदान्त
नकार.
पदान्तस्य नकारस्य नत्वं न भवति न पदान्तस्य so मातृ sorry पितॄन् there is no मातॄन् मातृः तृतीया विभक्ति न स्वस्त्रा स्वस्त्रभ्यां स्वस्त्रभिः
स्वस्रा स्वस्रभ्यां
स्वस्रभिः
स्वस्रभिः
तृतीया विभक्तिम् आरभ्य मातृ शब्दवत् भवति मात्रा मातृभ्यां मातृभिः then चतुर्थी रूपं would be
मात्रे
मात्रे मातृभ्यां
मातृभ्यः
first स्वस्त्र
स्वस्रे
स्वस्रे स्वस्रभ्यां
स्वस्रभ्यां
स्वस्रे स्वस्रभ्यां स्वस्रभ्यः
स्वसुः स्वस्रभ्यां स्वस्रभ्यः
स्वसुः स्वस्रभ्यां स्वस्रभ्यः
स्वसुः स्वस्रोः स्वसॄणां
स्वसुः स्वस्रोः स्वसृणां
स्वसॄणां here षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचनम षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचन रूपम of गुरु शब्दस्य षष्ठी विभक्ति बहुवचन रूपम किम?
गुरूणां
रस्व ऋकार वा दीर्घ वा?
गुरूणां
Yeah, रस्वम
दीर्घनां गुरूणां
गुरूणां right?
Yeah.
Any doubt in that?
no
Guru. Similarly, Nadi Shabda,
नदीनां दीर्घ
Matra Shabda,
मातॄणां दीर्घ दीर्घ only
Swasra is Swasra. Pitra Shabda,
that also दीर्घ पितॄणां
Rama Shabda,
Ramanam.
that is also
दीर्घ
Dirgha only. So, Shashti Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, you will see Shabda plus the Pratyaya. What is the Pratyaya? Am is the pratyaya.
Yeah, arm is the, yeah.
Nes, os, that will get Lut Agama. So becomes Nam. It becomes Nam. Then when the Nam follows, I'm just a small rule, okay. When Nam follows, then Rasva Shabdasya Dirghadesha Bhavati. Simple rule you can remember. Rasva Shabdasya Dirghadesha Bhavati. Nam Pare. So therefore, Madina, Rama, Rama Shabda. Rama doesn't become. Rama already Dirgha. Why should become Dirgha? Guru becomes Guru. What about Hari? Harinam or Harina?
Harina.
Arena.
All Dirgha, you see. So Dirgham. This is simple rule you can remember. Next one, Saptami. Swasari, Swasroho, Swasrushu.
Swasari.
Swasari.
Swasro.
Swasroho.
Swasrishu.
This rule you can note it. Okay, sometimes it will be useful. Then the next one is Sambodhana. He Swasaha, He Swasaru, He Swasaraha.
He
He
Swasaha.
Swasaha.
He
He
Swasaro.
Swasaro. He
Swasaraha.
Swasaraha.
So this Swastra Shabdaha, Matra Shabdavat eva. Except for the Vibhakti Dvayam, the Pratama and Ditya. Mata, Matarau, Mataraha. Mataram, Matarau, Matruh. Only change in these two Vibhakti. Tritiya onwards, Matra, Matrabhya, Matrabhihi, Matre, Matrabhya, same. Swasra Shabda like Matra Shabda. So Mata, then Matarau, yes, Swasarau, Tirga. Swasa, Mataraha, Swasaraha, Mataram, Swasaram, Dirga is there. Swasaram. Okay, this difference you can note. Now, continuing. So, Swasa Asti. Balika Swasa Asti. Kasya? Balakasya.
Balakasya.
Okay, simple. Okay, next one. Continue.
So next sentence or we
Yes,
have to
next sentence. Here, no, Kriya Padam is not there. You cannot do anything.
Asti.
That's okay. Asti.
We have to then fourth sentences. Tau kim kurutah. Kurutah.
Kau.
Balika our Balika Balakas. Tau kim kurutah.
Balika cha
And
balakaha cha. Tau kim kurutaha. Now, what is tau?
Saha Tau, these two, that
Into
those two.
Balika Strilingaha. Balakaha Pullingaha. Sarvanama Shabdam Prayujya Tau iti bhavati. We have seen this, remember? This
Yeah.
we can use generally Tau. You can say Tau Pullinga. Not Tau is Sagatau Pullinga. Tatma Bhakti Bhivachanam Tau. But two people are the one is Strilinga, Balika, other one is Pullinga, Balakaha. Still you can use Tau. Right?
Yeah.
So Tau. Okay.
Mm.
So therefore, Tau referring to Balika cha Balakaha cha. So Balakau, two Balakas or it could be a Balika also possible, depending on the context. Okay. Great.
Here that Kuruta has, so Dukrinj is the
Dukring Karane. Yes.
Karane, Krudatu, eighth
Kas.
Gana,
Good.
Anit and Ubayapadi.
Yes.
Yeah.
तौ किं
So
कुरुतः परस्मैपदी वा आत्मनेपदी वा तौ किं कुरुतः
that is Parasmaipadi.
आत्मनेपदी रूपं would be
Kurute kurvate. Kurute kurvate. Kurute. Kurute
no
kurvate.
is it correct kurute kurvate kurvate
Kurvate.
so kurvate here kurvate only right
Yeah.
two people are there
Dvivachanam. Yeah.
Kurvate.
Kurvate.
yes important dhatu okay so
Saha karot. We have to declare lat lakara, lag lakara like that. No?
yes
Normally we do. So saha karoti. Saha kim karoti.
you can use dvivachanam
Okay. Tau kim kurutah. Then lang lakara will be tau kim akurutam. Lot will be tau kurutam. Ling will be kuryatam.
yes
Then
ling is lot is kurutam
yeah,
and ling is kuryatam yes
kuryatam.
atmanepadi would be
Atmanepadi
tau
will be
kim kurvate lat lakara you said
kurvatam, right? Akuruta akurvatam.
akurvatam yes
Akurvatam. Then this will be kurvatam. No, kurvatam.
lot is
Lot will be
kurvatam
yeah. Kurvatam artham.
kurvatam
Kurvatam.
kurtat kurvatam kurvatam so kurvatam
Kurvatam. Then ling will be tau kurviyatam.
kurviyatam yes okay
Then shatru will be
not shatru
shatru. Shatru correct. Shatru will be kim kurvantau tau staha.
yes kim kurvantau
Tau staha. Then shanach will be kim kurvano yeah. Kim kurvano
no
tau
shanach
staha.
before using karmani you can use lat karmani would be
Okay, lat karmani will be tabhyam kim kriyate.
yes
Tabhyam kim kriyate. Then next is lat karmani shatru. Shatru lat karmani will be kurvatbyam tabhyam kim bhuyate.
kurvadhyam tabhyam
Kim bhuyate. No. Lat karmani shatru.
no kim kurute is that I would say like this tabhyam kim tabhyam
So kurvatbyam.
tabhyam kim kriyamana bhuyate
That is shanach, right?
Kriyamana.
Kriyamana. That is shanach.
shanach okay what do you know
Shatru karmani, right?
oh yes please yeah okay
Kurvatbyam
kurvadhyam
tabhyam kim bhuyate.
yes
Then shanach kriyamano will come. Shanach karmani.
shanach is if you're using shanach it has to be karmani or you can use ubhayapadi this is ubhayapadi dhatu kru dhatu ubhayapadi
So first used shatru, now shanach. Both we can use, no?
both it kartari you can use shatra is kartari shanach also for kru dhatu we can use in kartari so tau kim kurutaha shanach form would be tau kim
Kurvano.
kriyamanau
Kriyamana. Okay.
sorry not kriyamanu you're right kurvano
Kurvano Tau
Yes.
staha, that is Kartari Shanaj.
Kartari
Karma-
Kriyamana is Karmani Shanaj. Okay.
Karmani Shanaj, yeah. Kriyamano Tabhyam Kim Bhuyate, that is Karmani Shanaj.
Yes.
Then Ta
Kriyamanabhyam. Kriyamanabhyam Tabhyam.
Kriyamanabhyam, okay. Okay.
Kriyamanabhyam Tabhyam.
Tabhyam Kim Bhuyate.
Vimasti.
Then Tavatu will be Tavatu is Tabhyam Kim Kritam.
Why Tabhyam? Tabatu
Tab-
denotes
No,
Karta
I'm
only.
sorry. Yeah. Ta only I'm saying. Tabhyam Kim Kritam. Tavatu will be Tau Kim Kritavantau.
Kritavanto.
Then Lut Kartari Karishyati. For Karishyati, right?
Yes.
Then Trich will be Kru plus Trich
Tau
will be
Kim Karishyataha.
Tau Kim Karishyatah. Yeah, Karishyatah. Then Trich will be Kartru. Kru plus Trich will be Kartru, right?
Kartru.
Then Nul will be Kru plus Nul. That will become a Kar plus Aka Karakaha.
Karaka.
Karaka. Okay.
Then we can define other gender.
Okay. Here Karakavu will come. Lute will be Kru plus Lute will become Kar plus Ana Karana.
Yes.
Then Tavya will be Kru plus Tavya Kartavya. Then Aniya will be Karaniya. Tuman will be Kartum. Tva will be Krutva. Then Lyap will be some I can add, no?
Samkritya.
Samkritya. Causative will be Kru plus Nich, that will become Kari. So Karayati.
Yeah. Karayati.
Causative.
Yes. Then
Then what I have to do?
it's okay. Then all these are causative forms. That's Karita. Rupam would be Karita. You have to see any other rules apply. I don't think anything apply. So Karita, Karitavatu, Karayishyati.
Karayishyati.
Karayitru.
Karayitru.
Karayitru is important. Karayita. Prayojaka Karta. Karayita. We have seen that. Null will be, what will happen to null? Null will become
Kari plus. So Karaka.
the same.
No,
Kari plus null. So which Kartaya follows? He will go away from the Kari. So Kar plus U. That is Aka. Karaka.
Karaka. Then Kari plus Lut will be Kar plus Ana, Karana. Then
Kar plus Ana. This Aniti Pare. But he goes away. Therefore Karana.
Karana. Then Kari plus Tavya will be
Karayitavya.
Karayitavya.
Similarly, Karayaniya. That is Aniya.
Yeah, Karayaniya. Kari.
No, sorry, not Karayaniya. Not Karayaniya. Kari plus Aniya. This is Anit Pratyaya follows. He goes away. Therefore,
Karaniya.
Karaniya, the form be like that. Yes. If it is
Then
without Nijanta, Karaniya, Karaniya,
Karaniya.
not Karayaniya. So, okay.
Then Kari plus Tumun will be Karitum.
Karayitum. Why?
Karayitum.
Yes.
Yeah. E will come. So no.
Kari plus tum, E will come. E will come. Then Kare, Karaya, Karayitum. Guna
Karayitum.
will happen. Kari plus tumun, tum pratya valadi, it will take itagama. And Kari will take guna, Kare, then Nayadi Santi, Karaya, Karayitum. So Karayitum, Rupam. If I sing tum, okay,
Then Kari plus Twa. Karitwa.
not Karitva,
Karayitwa.
Karayitva.
Karayitwa.
You have to see
Karitwa.
the pratyaya. If it is a valadi or not, if it is a valadi, it will take itagama. Any all nijantas, all nijantas are considered to be set. So therefore, itagama, it will take their set dhatu only. And the pratyaya, if it is valadi, that will take itagama. So when a valadi pratyaya comes, and the dhatu is also set dhatu, nijanta dhatus are set, then itagama will come, then Angakarya will happen, provided if it is not Kit or Nit. If other than Valadi comes, if it is not Valadi, then Ni goes away. Like in Lep and all,
Lep. Yeah.
Ni goes away. So Kari plus Lep would be
Samkritya. Samkarya.
These Rupams and all you will not see in any books. We have to just apply the rules what we have learned. The rules are also not many, only few rules. If it is Nijanta, two things remember. Nijanta dhatavaha set bhavanti. Number one. Ardhataka pratyaya pare itagama bhavati. Yadi kitna chet, kita mitna chet. Then Angakaryam. Then final form. Okay. Then if it is anit, then nehe lopaha bhavati. After that, just melanam. Okay. Tumun would be karayitum.
Karayitum.
The next one. Is there any doubt in this?
No, Ji, understood.
Is it difficult to follow? The Rupam, the derivations.
No, we are able to recollect everything, no? Shatrisa. So it's okay.
Okay, the next one, next sentence, next person. Ganesh.
Question. Tau sallapataha.
Yes.
So here sallapataha. Here Kriya Padam is actually lap dhatu with upasarga as sam. So
Yes.
it is sallapataha, and since lapataha means it's parasmay padi dhatu and it's in vivachanam.
Yeah.
And,
why this Chandra Bindu is sallapataha?
I think it's because of sandhi. I think it's anuswara sandhi. So makara at the end of the padam will be replaced by anuswara. And it's followed by hal. But Chandra Bindu, why it's not just a bindu?
This some Padanta Makara becomes Anuswara.
Anuswara. It's anuswara sandhi number one. So
Anuswara. Okay, anybody? Anybody? What do you Chandra Bindu is there? Yes.
Did we do about the Latva Sandhi?
Thoroughly, because of thoroughly.
Yeah, I
Totally,
was also thinking Sat plus
thinking, Sat
Lapataha,
plus Lapata.
Lapataha. Even
Sat
I,
plus lapataha, then will come. Sat is not a upasarga. Okay.
Some plus lapata.
Some plus.
It is some plus lapataha, that is correct.
Lapata.
If it is sat plus lapataha, totally you say. That is fine, but it is not sat. It is some plus lapataha. But then you have Anuswara, this Chandrabindu. Think, you know.
no, how do we get Lakara here? Makara, how does it become Lakara?
I'm asking you that.
So I thought it is Sat. Some means Makara.
Some is a padam, so anuswara
Some
will
is a
happen.
pada, yeah.
Samisapadam, yes,
Mo anuswara, then anuswara sahi parasavarna.
that's what it is. Anuswara followed by the A letter, therefore Parasavarnaha. Lakarasya Parasavarnaha is La. So
Okay.
that comes as an Adesha in the place of that Anuswara. Therefore Sanlapataha. It is not Sat Lapataha. Okay.
Okay.
First thing is Sam plus Lapataha, Padanta Makara, some all upasargas are Padam. That we know. So Padanta Makarasya Anuswara Adesha Bhavati. Then Anuswara followed by A. So therefore, you
So
now
Parasavarna.
Parasavarna will apply.
Okay.
Okay. Therefore, Sanlapataha. You can say Samlapataha in that with the Parasavarna, that is Sallapataha also is correct. Samlapataha or Sallapataha. Both are okay. Because this, okay, sorry, not, I think this Anuswara compound will come because Makara is Nasika. Therefore, Nasika compound has to come. Sanlapataha, I think. That's why he has given. Okay, anyway. Sanlapataha, then which Gana is that? Is the first Gana, I think.
Yes, Chanj. First Gana, it's a Set Dhatu.
Yes. Okay,
So,
can try
Tau,
other forms.
so Tau Sallapataha. Then Ekavachanam Saha Sallapati. And
Okay.
Te Sallapanti.
Yes.
And Shatru form will be Sallapan and Vivachanam will be Sallapantau. So Tau, Sallapantau.
What is the meaning? Sanlapata?
Sallapata is to converse,
Yes.
to chat.
Yattayam vachi. Yes, speaking, talking, conversing.
So the Upasarga, Lap is to talk. So the Upasarga will make it chat or
Yes. Is to talk, chat, conversation.
conversation. Yes. So here is Vivachanam. So the Shatra will become Sallapantau.
Yeah.
So Tau, Sallapantau, Staha.
Yes, Tau,
Then-
Sanlapantau, Staha. Okay.
Then Karmani will be, Tau will become Tabhyam. And Sallapyate. Sallapyate.
Lapyate. Karmani would be Lapyate.
Sallapyate.
Karmani is Lapyate. Yes.
So Sallapyate. And then the Shatru form of that will be Tabhyam. Sallapadbhyam Bhuyate. It is a Bhavya Prayoga.
Yes.
Tabhyam Sallapadbhyam Bhuyate. Then next is Tavatu. Ta will become Sallapita.
Lapita.
Sallapita.
Yes.
Sallapita.
Sallapita.
And Tavatu will become Sallapitavan. Sallapitavat. in Napumsaka.
Sallapitavat, sallapitavantau.
Sallapitavantah.
Okay.
Then Rit will be Sallapishyati. Sya
Yeah, sallapishyati. Sallapishyati.
Sallapishyati. That is Rit. Then next is Trich. So Trich will be Sallapitra.
Yes, sallapitra.
Sallapitra. Sallapita. Then Nul.
Strilinga would be sallapitri.
Sallapitri.
Okay.
Then Nul will be Sallapakaha.
Yes, sallapaka.
Pakaha.
Strilinga would be sallapika.
Sallapika. Sallapika. Then Lyut. Lyut will be Sallapanam.
Sallapanam.
Sallapanam. Then Tavya. Sallapitavya.
Yes.
Said Dhatu. Then Aniya will be Sallapaniya.
Okay. Sallapaniya.
Sallapaniya. Then here this is Upasarga, so it becomes Lyap.
Yes.
So Sallapya.
Sallapya. Having conversed. Sallapya.
Having chatted.
Yes.
Then Tumun. Said Dhatu. Sallapitum.
Okay. Nijanta.
Nijanta. So here I think Dirga will be there. So it's Sallapi.
Sallapi. Yes.
So Sallapi.
I think this is not a Gatadi.
Myth.
So therefore,
No myth. Sallapi.
is it a myth?
No, I don't think so. No. So it is Sallapi.
Let me check whether it is in Gatadi. Gatadi, something will happen. Not Gatadi, no problem. So please check. Also, I will try. It is not
Dirga.
Gatadi.
So it's Dirga. That's Salla.
Yes. You remember Gatadi? If Gatadi is, then Rasram will happen. Okay.
Sallapi. So Ta pratyaya to that will be Sallapita.
Okay. Sallapita.
And
Then?
Tavatu will be Sallapitavat.
Sallapitavat.
And Rit will be Sallapayishyati. Yak will come in. Sallapayishyati.
Yes.
Then Trich will be Sallapayita.
Yes. Sallapayita, Sallapayitaru, Sallapayitara.
Then Nul will be, I think here it is just Sallapaka.
Same as, yeah, same as
Sallapaka.
the previous one.
And Sallapika. Then Tavya will be Sallapayitavya.
Yes.
Then Aniya will be Sallapaniya.
Sallapaniya. Yes.
Then here it is Lyap. No, it is Lyap because some Upasarga. So some Lapya. Dirga here. Sallapya.
Yes. Yeah.
Sallapya. Then Tumun. Sallapayitum.
Yeah. Here Kritya is not there. Kritya. Only Aniyat.
Yat and Nyat we can add.
But the lap is Pakara. So therefore, you have to apply Yat Pratyaya only.
Yat. So
I think
it's
it is not there in the list.
Sallapya.
Sallapya it would be.
So Yat.
Yes. The form would be Sallapya.
Sallapya.
Okay. Good. Next one. You can read the next sentence also.
Yes.
Yes.
Can I read it?
Yeah, please read.
Saha balakaha hyaha patam na apatat. So this in past
Saha.
tense, bhutavach.
Kaha apatat, na apatat.
Balakaha na apatat.
Saha balakaha na apatat.
Saha balaka na apatat.
Kim na apatat.
Kim? Patam na apatat.
Kada.
Hyaha patam na apatat.
Sorry. Patam na patitavan. Balakaha patam na
Patam
patitavan.
na
Patitata
patitavan.
already we have seen patitatu.
So saha balaka patam na patitavan asit.
Patitavan, na patitavan. Okay. Balakena maya na patam na
Apatyata.
Pataha na patitaha. Yes, apatyata. Karmani would be.
Apatyata.
Very good. Karmani is apatyata. So patata already we have seen. We have done all the forms. So you can skip patatu. Next sentence. Sumatiji.
Yeah. Upadhyayah tam athadayat.
Tad dhatu.
Tad dhatu, it is 10th sakarmaka, said, and it is agate, to beat.
Yeah, this dhatu have we done before.
We have discussed, but I
No.
don't change it. We have
No,
not
no,
done in detail, I think.
Let us do it. Yes.
Yeah. So lat lakara is this. Athadayat is lang lakara.
Okay.
So lat will be upadhyayah tam tadayati. And lot will be upadhyayah tam tadayatu. And ling lakara will be upadhyayah tam tadayet.
Okay.
And karmani will be upadhyayena, tam will become saha tadayate.
Tadyate, right?
I'm sorry, tadyate.
Upadhyayena saha
Ena saha tadyate.
tadyate.
Then karmani shatru will be tadayan upadhyayah tam bhuyate.
Tadayan
Upadhyayah tam bhuyate.
Tadayan upadhyayaha. Okay, that is not, that is no
No.
Shanaj, right?
Shatru.
This is not Shanaj. You're saying Shatra Shanaj. You said Shatra.
Shatru, yeah. So I said tadayan.
Upadhya, Tadayat, Taday. It is, it should be Tritiya Bhakti. Upadhyayena.
Oh, yeah, I'm sorry. Then it should be tadayanena upadhyayena saha bhuyate, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah. The next one will be, what's the next? Trich, is it?
Karmani Shanaj, suppose if we do Upadhyayaha tam atadayat. Okay. So Karmani Shanaj, if you use Tadyamanaha.
Tadyamanaha. Yeah.
Saha Tadyamanaha. Kaha balakaha.
Balakaha.
Kena Upadhyayena.
Upadhyayena.
So Upadhyayena saha balakaha tadyamanaha asid. Right?
Yeah.
If you use Karmani Shanaj, the meaning we should not change. Then you have to make the tadyamanaha. Tad is tadyamanaha. Then sakaha, then balaka is the object of the karma, the action. The balakaha tadyamanaha asid. Kena upadhyayena.
Upadhyayena.
Okay. Now tadyamana, you get tadyamana.
It will be, you add ana, since it is, so
Okay.
it becomes, you add, what item? It becomes mana, no, in this case, because it
Tad
ends in
dhatu become tadi.
tadi.
Tadi. What is a dhatu? Tad dhatu.
Tad dhatu.
Tad plus nich. Tad. Tadi. Right?
Yeah.
Tadi plus Shanaj. If you add, what will happen? Yak will come.
Yak
Tadi,
will come.
Tad-
Plus,
Tadi plus
Tadi.
Yak plus Shanaj.
yeah,
Yak is a pratyaya, adhatuka pratyaya. Is it Valadi? No.
no, it is not.
Therefore, E goes away from
E
Tadi.
goes away, E drops, and therefore it becomes Tadya.
Tadya. Not Tadya.
Tadya.
Plus Ana. Then Mukkagama comes.
Mukkagama comes, so Tadyamana.
Tadyamana. Okay, continue.
Sharanji, one question.
Yes.
Since this is in Bhutakala, instead of using Kshatrishana, should we use Tatavatu? Past participle?
Yeah, that we can use. That also we are going to use. No, yeah, just I
So
said Asi.
Taditavan Asit. That.
No, Tadya. Tadyaman Balakaha Tadyamanaha Adhyapakena Asit, I said.
Right. So it is not Taditavan Asit.
No.
No,
That one will
that
say.
will not be, yeah.
They're going to say. The next one is
Yeah, I still
going
didn't
to
come to
use
Tavatu, yeah.
Tatavatu.
Right. But in this
Ta will
context, in
be-
this.
In this context, it is Asit. That's why I said Asit.
Right. So the
See, it is participle. It is the participle that is we are using Shatru, but it happened in the past. So the participle qualifies the karta here, karta karma order. So here Tadyamanaha Balakaha.
so it
Asi.
present participle for a past tense.
Yes. That's why I don't want to use the present participle because present the word may confuse. We may think it is used only for the present tense. But in the past, the action was continuing. Right?
I thought
The
then you have to
boy,
use Tavatu there.
we can use Tavatu if the
Because
action
it's
was,
past, no.
you are referring to the action which was continuing, then you can use Shatru also. Right? You can use Shatru, but it is Shatru is not the doesn't it is not the Kriya Padam denoting the Kala, real Kala. The Kala is Asit or whatever is it that you have to supply that.
Right.
Then only it is past tense we know. Otherwise, you may take it as a present tense problem.
Right. So you can use Kshatrishana for past also. Only thing is you just say instead of Staha.
Yes, see, I saw the boy who was running fast. The boy was running.
Right.
You saw.
He
I see,
was
and see,
running.
I see the boy who is running. So too. Then I will be seeing the boy who will be running. Possible. Future tense also possible. Right? That is future tense. We know that it is anyway. It is there.
Right.
Future tense also. There is a rule itself is there. So for future tense, writ also, this Shatru can be used. The rule itself is there.
Right. So Kshatrishana can be used for future, present, as well as past.
Yes. Past also we can use. The past also, suppose the action was continuing. We've seen many examples like that before. Right.
So this. Right. Thank you.
I have a doubt. This in Shatru, that normal simple Shatru, if you take Tadayan Upadhyayah or Tadayan Saha, which it will govern.
Okay.
It will be
Tadayan?
Visheshna of here that Tadayan or Tadyamanaha, whatever it is, it will be for Upadhyaya or Saha.
See, Tadyamanaha, when you say Tadyamanaha is the one. Okay, Tadayan is Upadhyayaha. I understand your question now. Yeah. Tadayan Upadhyayaha, right?
Yeah.
Tadyamanaha Balakaha.
Oh.
The one who is beaten. Why that doubt is, see, Tadyamana is Karmani. Karmani Shanaj. Therefore, that which is karma in the sentence. What is a karma in this sentence? Upadhyayaha tam atadayat. Which is a karma?
Tam.
tam. Therefore, if tam is what you want to refer to in Pratama Vibhakti, that becomes Karmani Priyaga, Karmani Shanaj. Saha Tadyamana.
Saha
Tadyamana
Tadyamana.
Saha.
Mm.
Tadyamana itself shows the yak is there. Yak is the object of the action kriya, the tad dhatu, tadana kriya.
Mm.
The object, what is the object of the sadhana kriya? The karta is upadhyaya. Object is kalakaha. So, therefore, when you do the karmani shanaj for this sentence, tadyamanaha saha asid kena upadhyayena.
Okay.
Is it clear?
Okay. The same like that only for Shatru
I think the
Karmani
doubt is because we have shanaj pratyaya added to atmanepadi dhatu. That's why probably this doubt may come. Tad dhatu is Parasnipadi or Upayapadi? It's an
Upayapadi.
Atmanepadi. It's
Upayapadi.
Upayapadi.
Yes.
It is
Ah.
interesting now. You see, it becomes more interesting now. So, Tadayati, Tadayate. Both are there. Right?
Mm.
Tadayati, Tadayati. Now, Upadhyayaha tam atadayat. Okay, let us make it as a sentence. Upadhyayaha tam tadayat. Upadhyayaha. Okay, let's say tam tadayati. Vakya is that.
Mm.
Tadayan upadhyayaha tam tadayan upadhyayaha asti.
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 Then tam tadayamanaha upadhyayaha asti. I'm using tadayamanaha. I'm using shanaj because dhatu is ubhayapadi. So therefore, if you take it as a parasmepadi, tad plus shap, tadi plus shap plus shanaj will come. So tadayamanaha will come.
Mm.
Tadayamanaha upadhyaya. Tadayamanaha is equal to tadayan. One is shanaj, other one is shatru, kartari.
Mm.
Right?
Mm.
Tadayamanaha upadhyayaha, tadayan upadhyayaha, both are correct because dhatu is ubhayapadi. Therefore, you can use shatru or shanaj. So tam asit. Karmani when you do, suppose karmani when you do, and if you want to use shanaj, then the karma will become pratama vibhakti, tam will become saha. He is the object of action, therefore tadyamanaha, saha tadyamanaha, upadhyayena, karta will go in tritiya, tadyamanaha, saha upadhyayena asit. This is karmani shanaj. You are using karmani, but I'm just making the sentence into shatru karmani, I said. That is only a different vakya. That is, upadhyaha remaining as it is. That is, I mean, this upadhyayena, what is the tadayanto, tadayantaha,
Tadayan.
Tadayat.
tadayata
Yata.
upadhyayena saha bhuyate.
Same way, Shanaj Karmani won't become Tritiya for Upadhyayena. Here we are telling Tadayata
No,
Upadhyaya.
that is for karma. That is for saha, no?
Here karta I'm making into tritiya. Therefore, shatranta qualifying the karta has to go in tritiya. Therefore, I said tadaya.
Tadayata Upadhyayena.
Upadhyayena
Saha
saha bhuyate.
Bhuyate.
Or yes, bhuyate.
Yeah. The Shanaj also, won't it become qualifying Upadhyayena?
Where is shanaj?
The Shanaj Karmani, if you take, we are
Sure.
using Tadyamanaha Saha. Instead of that, I am asking.
Karmani, if you take it is tadyamana. If you are making the kriya padam, tadyamana will come. Tadyamana, how can we refer to upadhyaya?
No. Can't we use Tritiya Bhakti? Tadyamana.
It will govern the object, no? So it is
Object.
saha.
Upadhyaya. No, will it govern.
Tadyamana, okay, listen. Tadyamana represent only the karma. Karma is the saha, the boy.
Okay.
So tadyamana saha. Tadyamanena tena. You can say.
I think
That
she's
is
asking
okay.
like when we use Atmanepadi form, that time
No,
you
she's
told
she's asking.
For
You can
Karmani
use
Prayoga.
this for this chanaj. Why this? That's what tadyamanena tena. That is
No,
that
no.
there also.
No, I am asking, can we use Tadyamanena Upadhyayena? Qualifying, that is using Tritiya Vibhakti for
Okay,
this.
let me. Okay,
Shana.
you're saying Tadyamanena Upadhyayena. You tell me what is that? What is Tadyamana referring to?
Just beating the boy. The boy is beaten.
What is? Listen. What is the meaning of Tadyamana?
one who
You
is
just tell me
beating,
that.
right?
Tadyamana is not one who is beating. One
One
is
is
beaten up.
Beaten.
Beaten
Okay.
up. Yeah.
You are saying Upadhyaya is beaten up. That's wrong.
Okay, okay. Now I understood. Got it.
That is why I said, I know where the confusion comes, because we are using Shatru Karmani. That is actually, it is making the Karta into Tritiya Vibhakti and qualifying the Karta with the Tritiya form of the Shatru. We are doing one sentence. I think probably that would have confused you. I think that is a confusion. See, that's why I said, Tadayata Upadhyayena Saha Bhuyate. This is just making the Tritiya, Shatru Tritiya, when it is there. Tritiya Vibhakti Karta is in Tritiya Vibhakti. What Prayoga is? It is Karmani Prayoga. It is Karmani Prayoga. Then Prayoga is Karmani, but I am using the Shatranta, qualifying the Karta. Karta is in Tritiya Vibhakti, therefore Tritiya Vibhakti. You can use Shanaj also. If you use Shanaj, their Karta is in Tritiya Vibhakti, but the karma, sorry, the karma will be in Prathama Vibhakti. Yes, Karta in Tritiya Vibhakti. Karma is Prathama Vibhakti. There, the Kriya Padam will qualify the karma. So that Tadyamana. This is a difference. Tadyamanaha saha. Tadayata upadhyayena. You understand this difference between the two?
Yeah, got it.
Tadayata upadhyayena. Tadyamanaha saha. Now, Tadayata upadhyayena. Tadyamanaha saha. Both are both. That is, Upadhyaya is the one who is beating, and the boy is one who is beaten up. So the Tadayat, the Tad Dhatu can be used either with the Karta or with the Karma. If you use with the Karta, it is Shatru Tritiya Vibhakti. If it is used with the Karma, this Prathama Vibhakti, then it is Karmani Prayoga, Karmani Shanaj.
If it is like in Atmanepadi form, what will be the case? See, if it is a Ubhayapadi Dhatu, right?
Yes.
And we are using it as the
Atmanepadi form only with Tadamana. I said Tadayamana. Sorry. Yeah.
yeah.
Tadayamana I said. Tadayamana.
Mana Upadhyaya.
Tadayamanaha Upadhyaya.
Yeah.
That is Tadayamana. Anyway, it's going to qualify the Karta only, right? Whether it is Tadayan Upadhyaya, Tadayamana Upadhyaya, there is no difference.
But if it is Tadayata Upadhyayena means teacher is beaten up by the boy, right?
No. Tadayata Upadhyayena means the Upadhyaya who is beating. See, why are you getting confused? I don't know. See, what is a Pradipadikam? Tadayat is a Pradipadikam. Right?
Tadayat, yeah.
Tadayan Upadhyaya, is there any confusion?
No. There it's no. It's
okay. Okay, let us do. Tadayan, Tadayanto, Tadayantaha. Upadhyaya, Upadhyayo. Okay, let's make it simple. Acharyaha, let's make it. Acharyaha, Acharyo, Acharyaha. Now, Acharyaha, Tadayan. Tadayan, Acharyaha, right?
Yeah.
Then Dvivachanam. Tadayanto.
Tau Acharya.
Tadayanto, Acharyo. Bahuvachanam.
Tadayantaha
Acharyaha. Dvitiya Vibhakti, Ekavachana. Tell me.
Tadayantam.
Acharya.
Acharya.
Acharya. Sorry, Acharya.
Yeah, Acharya.
Tadayantam Acharya. Then
Yeah.
Tadayantam is not the Acharya is beaten up. Acharya who is beating. Okay. Is there any confusion in that?
No.
That is the karma in the sentence. That is why Dvitiya Vibhakti. Tadayantam Acharya. The meaning doesn't change. Acharya who is beating, he is a karma in the sentence. That he means Acharya. It is Dvitiya Vibhakti we are using. Now, Dvivachana. Tadayantau Acharya. Bhagavachanam.
Tadayataha.
Tadayataha Acharya.
Acharya.
Acharyan. Acharyan, right?
Yeah.
And Tritiya Vibhakti is
Tadayata.
Acharyena. Everywhere it is same only. Acharya who is beating by him. That's what the meaning is. So it is not Acharya is one who is beaten up.
Yeah. It should be the other way around. Saha Upadhyayam Atadayat means
That's okay.
you say,
That you make it, that is
Okay.
okay. But why this confusion? See, Shatra is Karta. Here the Kriya Padam, here the Dhatu is Ubhayapadi. Therefore, we can use Shatra Ashanaj. There is no problem with it. That is why Tadayan Upadhyayaha or Tadaya Manaha Upadhyayaha. Both are okay.
Yeah.
If you are using Karmani Shanaj, Karmani is Atmani Pari only. There is no choice. So Tadya Manaha. Now, who is Tadya Manaha? Who is beaten up? Boy.
is beaten up. So
Therefore, Saha, Tadya Manaha Saha.
correct.
Upadhyayena, you have to say. Karta is in Tritiya Vibhakti. Upadhyayena. Still doubt is there?
No, sure.
Yeah, I got my doubt. Understood.
Sagamitra ji.
Yes, yeah, clear.
Nicely beaten up now.
That's what I was thinking. Oh.
See,
Then
this
Dhatu. I'm sorry.
here the Dhatu is Ubhayapadi, therefore this confusion may come. If you remember Shatra Shanaj Manjari, when we did Tritiya Vibhakti, particularly I did Tritiya Vibhakti after doing Karmani. Because why? The Shatra, I'm talking about Shatra. Shatra Tritiya Vibhakti, the Shatra is it governs, it is an adjective to anything. Karta, karma, it can be an adjective to any karaka in a vacuum. If it is in Tritiya Vibhakti, then it will give the sense of karmani prayoga. And that too, if it is qualifying the karta in Tritiya Vibhakti, karta is in Tritiya Vibhakti, karmani prayoga. That is why karmani I took first, and then we did Shatranta Tritiya Vibhakti. Karmani Shanach is there. Our focus is only on the object which is in, that is the karma which is in Pratama Vibhakti. And if you know the Tinganta Karmani Prayoga, that day you remove it and put it Mana. The same thing. Now, the same Vakya, if you take Saha Upadhyayaha Tam Atadayat, what will be the Karmani form of this? Saha Upadhyayena Tadyate. Tadyate. Latlakara you take. Tadyate. You remove te and put what?
Tadyamana.
Sahat Tadyamana. Sahat Tadyamana. Upadhyayena. Asi. Vakya is over, right?
Yeah.
So, same thing. This Tadyate, te, in the place of te, you put mana, Tadyamana. And Upadhyayaha Tam Tadayati or Tadayate is that's Ubhayapadi. That's no problem. Tadayate. Now Tadayati is a Drafti, if you make it Tadayan. Te is a Tadayamanaha. Upadhyayaha. Tadayamanaha Upadhyayaha. Tadayan Upadhyayaha. It's qualifying the Karta. Right? Shatra. Okay, I hope you understand this now.
Yeah.
Sentence.
So tavatu, ta will be upadhyayena saha taditaha.
No, tavatu, it is ta pratyaya, not tavatu.
Ta pratya. Tavatu will be, I'm sorry.
Yeah, continue.
Tavatu will be upadhyayah tam taditavan.
Taditavan. Okay.
Then lit lakara will be upadhyayah.
Okay, here also one small thing. How do you get taditaha or taditavan? How do you get? How do you get the form?
It's tadatu. It will take itagama. It's a set.
You have to tell me, is it set or anit?
It is set actually.
Tadidhatu,
So
nijanta or by default?
by
set.
default they are set. Yeah. Now
Set.
you said
So
yeah.
tadi
Set.
is set.
Yeah.
So tadi plus ta pratyaya.
So it will be taditaha. Tadita.
No, tadi plus ta pratyaya. Tadi is set. And the pratyaya is ta pratyaya. That is also set only. Baladi, right?
Baladi.
Therefore, that will take it itagama. So tadi plus ita. Will it not become tadi ita dirgha sandhi?
No, because you said it since it is E drops, right?
Yes. Oh. The nishta pratyaya is tatavatu pratyaya.
Tatavatu.
Which are set. Nishta pratyaya, which can take itagama, follows the nijanta, the ni goes away. That's a rule. You have seen that.
Yeah.
Remember, two places we have seen, two rules we have seen. That is, when anit follows nich, the nijanta form, the ni goes away, number one. Second one, when ishta pratyaya taking itagama follows the nijanta, the ni goes away. So tadi plus itaha, not tadi itaha, that tadi, the e goes away, that ni goes away. So tad plus itaha, taditaha, tad plus tavatu, taditavatu, right?
Yeah.
Okay. But remember these two important rules. We have seen. I don't know whether
Yes,
we
Sharanji.
documented it. We have seen.
Yes, Sharanji, but it takes some time. But we just by
We can remember
usage, yeah. I'm saying
when anit
taditavan.
pratyaya follows, ni goes away. Number one. When the
Snehe aniti, right?
yes,
Yeah.
yes, nehe aniti. That we have seen in the
Yeah.
Sandhi context itself, we have seen that. Sandhi is a summary of Sandhi rules, if you see, not Sandhi context, summary of Sandhi rules, last one, I think. There it is there.
Okay. Left
And
and all that way.
Nishtayam Seti, the very next rule. Right? 6452, I think. So Nishta Pratyaya taking itagama follows Nijanta, the ni goes away. The Nijanta, the ni is goes away. That is E goes away. So Taditaha, Taditavan. Okay, continue. Smati.
Then lit lakara will be upadhyayah tam tadayishyati.
Tadayishyati. Now, Shatranta, because Ganesh also asked, you can use future tense also. Tadayishyan. Tadayishyat is a pratipadika. Okay. Tadayishyat. Tadayishyat you said. So,
Yeah.
future tense also we can use Shatranta. Upadhyayah Tadayishyan Upadhyayah tam bhavishyati. Possible.
Kshatri.
Yeah, lit Shatra. Lit Lakara.
Kshatri.
Upadhyayaha, who will be beating the boy. Right? Who will beat the boy? Tadayishyan Upadhyayaha tam bhavishyati. Future tense. Kriyapadam bhavishyati. Right?
Yes.
So Tadayishyan, there also you see karmani possible. Tritiya Bhakti Tadayishyata iti. Tadayishyan Shatranta. And dhatus are generally Ubhayapadiya is said. So Tadayishyan is possible. Tadayishya Manaha also possible. Tadayishya Manaha. And karmani also possible for that. Okay, we got to, don't have to go too much into it. All these things are possible. Then the infant reader will continue to be infant only. We will never grow. Okay. So you have to stop that.
No.
Okay.
Then
So
trich will be
yes.
tadayitru, that is upadhyaya. Tam, it will take itagama. So tadayitru,
Yes.
tadayita, tadayitri, yeah.
Tadayatri.
Then nul will be, it will be aga. So tadayaka
No. Third plus
plus
null.
nul.
Remember the rule
It-
just now we said.
Yeah.
Who is Akka?
So it will become
Tadi plus Akka.
Plus akka. E will drop. So
Yes.
tadayaka.
Not Tadaka only, not Tadayaka. Where is the E gone, right?
E
Tad
drop.
plus
Yeah, I'm sorry. Tadaka.
Tadaka. Srilinga would be
Sri Lanka will be
Tadika.
Tadika.
Taraka, Karika. Tadaka, Tadika. So like that it will happen. Tadika. Okay. Then next one.
Then next is lut will be Tadanam.
Tadanam. Yes.
Yeah.
See here, since your Tad is takes Nijanta, so therefore we don't have to do separate Nijanta. Swarte or Pranati, Nich is added, so therefore no problem here. So only you have to do only one thing only. Nijanta is not required. Yeah, continue.
Okay. Then Tumun will be Tadayitum. Tadayitva. Tadayitavyam.
Yes, that's it.
That's it, yeah.
Nijanta is anyway, that is
That is Taday.
this tenth Gana Dhatu, Swarte or Pranati, Nich only it takes. Therefore no problem. Next one. Next Vakya. Next person. Krishnaji. That is also 10th Gana. Kathadi Gana. Dhatu.
तां वार्तां तस्य स्वसा पित्रे अकथयत्. So kata dhatu.
Kaha. No, who is the Karta? Karma.
So dhatu is okay. Lang akatayat. Okay. So tam vartam.
Ka akatayat. Swasa akatayat.
Swasa.
Right. Kasmai.
Pitre.
Pitre. Kam. Vartam.
Vartam.
Varta is qualified by Tam Vartam. What
Tam
Tam
Vartam.
Vartam? That news. What is the news? Padyaha Tam Atadayat.
Tam atadayat.
Tam Vartam. Tasya. Okay. So, Swasa Akatayat. Swasa Vartam Akatayat. That's all. That is a Vakya. Other things we have already fixed. It will not change. So, Karta and Karma. Swasa Karta. Karma is Vartam. Vartam only you can take. Tam is not required. Swasa Vartam Akatayat. Vakyam Asti. Now we can try other prayoga forms. Katadatu. What will happen?
Katayati. So Ubhayabhati dhatu. So katayati or katayate.
Yes.
Dviyabhati vachanam would be katayataha. Lat form. Sorry, lakara dviyavachanam.
Yes.
Bahuvachanam would be katayanti or atmanepade bahuvachanam would be katayanti or katayante.
Katayante. Okay. So Katadi, what is speciality? You know.
To lopa happens.
Ato Lopa. Then
Adantam, sorry, adantam angam. So
Adantanga. It's important. Adantanga. Ataha, that Akara Lopaha Bhavati. After that, Upada Dirgatum na Bhavati. So that Stanivat Adesha. We will Stanivat Adesha Bhavati.
Purva Vidau.
Yes. That will apply. That we'll see that later. It's little little complicated, not much. You have to see. Stanivat Adeshaha. Anal Vidau. Then Achaha Parasmin Purva Vidau. That will apply. So by that, otherwise it will become Kati. It's a problem. Okay, we will see that later. Tenthagana when we see, I'll explain that. Try to do without sutra. Okay. Now Katayati, the form is Katayati. Fine, continue.
Shatru would be Kati. Kati is the Angam. Shatru.
Again, Katayat is a pradipadi. Kati plus Shap plus Shatra. Kati will become Kate. Kataya. Kataya plus At. Katayate. Katayat is a pradipadikam. Right?
So Katayan, Katayanto, Katayantaha.
Yes. So,
Okay.
therefore, Swasa Vartam.
Katayan.
Swasa is Trilinga. You have to be alert.
Oh, Kata. So Pratipadik would be Katayati.
Katayati, think. Shatranta, you are doing. What is the pradipadikam? Anybody?
Katayanti.
Katayanti.
Agama will come.
Remember that Agama will come. 1,
For
4,
1,
6,
4,
10.
6, 10.
Also for future
Katayati.
tense. Future tense also. 1, 4 systems, Adantanga. And for Shap and Shan, that is for the first and the Shan, which is a must. Sixth Gana optional. That's why we have two forms in Sri Lanka, right? Tudati, Tudanti. Remember? Tudati is one form. Tudanti is another form. Sri Lanka. I'm talking about Sri Lanka. Tudat is a pradipadikam for Pullinga, Anapumsakalinga. For Sri Lanka becomes Tudati or Tudanti. You all remember? Sixth Gana?
Yes, sure.
Yes, Ji.
Yes, Ji.
For 1 and 6, Num is a must. Sri Lanka, Pratipadika. So, Gachanti only, there is no Gachati. Similarly, fourth Gana also. Devyanti, Shap Shanogo, Nityam Bhavati. Therefore, this is 10th Gana, Shap only is there. Shap only comes after Majantarupam. After adding each yes. So, therefore, Katayanti would be the Pratama Vibhakti. It is a Pratipadikam and Pratama Vibhakti also is that only. So, Katayanti Swasa, Vartam Katayanti Swasa Asi. Right? Okay, continue.
Karmani would be.
So, you have to remember, here Swasa is there, Sri Lanka. Therefore, accordingly, yes, Karmani is.
Kati, the Ikara will become Lopa because of Nere in it. So it becomes Katyate.
Katyate, yes.
Karmani.
Remember the Vakya. Swasa Vartam Akatayat. Okay, that is the Vakya. You can do.
So Karmani Shatru.
No, do the sentence simple Karmani. Swasa Vartam Akatayat is it.
Akatyat.
Akatyata Karmani, okay. Atmanipadi.
Atmanipadi, yeah. Akatyata.
This familiarity has to come. That you have to do the Abhyasa. If you use Sanskritam, then this Abhyasa will come. Only Prakriya, if you do, then you will do the mistake. This you have to practice. Akatyata. Kena akatyata. Kam. Kaha akatyata. Kena kam. Yes. Kena akatyata.
What is it?
Swasa. Swastra
Is it
akatyata.
not Kayaji?
Sorry, Kaya. Okay. Yes.
Feminine, right? Yeah.
Yes. Here feminine, therefore Kaya. Kaya akatyata. Swastra.
Swasra, Tritiya, Swasra,
Swastra akatyata. Ka
Akatyata,
akatyata. Varta. Varta, the news.
Varta,
So
Strilinga.
Kaya ka akatyata. Swastra Varta akatyata. Right? Okay. That is lang. Karma. That would be katyate. Okay, then continue.
Shatru, Karmani Shatru, Ekavachanam would be Karmani Shatru.
Karmani Shatru, don't say that the Shatru, Karmani, I mean, we are using the Tritiya Vibhakti of Shatru form with the Karta. That is, anyway, it's Karmani only. You can say. Vakyam you remember. Swasa Vartam Akatayat. Okay.
Pratikam is Katayanti. So Tritiya Vibhakti would be
Katayantya. Right?
Katayantya.
Nadya.
Katayantya.
Katayantya. Swasra. Bhuyate.
Bhuyate, yeah.
Or, okay. Or past Abhuyata. Past tense. Right? What? Varta. So Katayantya Swasra Varta.
Varta Bhuyate.
Yes. Now. Swasa Varta Makatyet. Now if you use Karmani Shanaj, what will be? Karmani Shanaj. Okay. We used Kartari, that is Shatru Tritiya Vibhakti, that is Karmani Shatru did. Karmani Shanaj would be.
Katyamana.
Yes, Katyamana, yes, Katyamanaha or Katyam. What is the linga?
Strilingam, right?
Which is Lingam?
Varta.
Varta, yes. Katyamana Varta. Swasra, Swasa. Swasa, Swasra, not Swaskarta. Swasra, Katyamana
Varta.
That's it, okay. Kayapalam always becomes applied. So, Swasra, Katyamana Varta. Asit. If you want to use Asit. Okay. Tavatu Vartaya. Next one.
Lankartri Dvivachanam.
That's okay. You can Tavatu. You can move on.
Okay, Tavatu. So Kati Tavatu.
Swasa Vartam Akatayat. Simple. Swasa Vartam. Instead of Akatayat, Karmani, sorry, Kartari Bhute.
Kartari, right?
Tavatu Pratyaya. Kartari Bhute would be.
So Kati and Tavatu. So Itagama will happen, right?
Yes. It will come. And what will happen to it? It will go away. So
it will go away.
Katyavati.
Not Katyavati.
Why it will go away? Why it will go away?
Kati plus Tavat. Kati is Nijanta. Ta Pratyaya is Nishta Pratyaya. Setaha Nishtayam Ni Lopah Bhavati. That's how I said now just now before. So when the Nishta Pratyaya, which is said, follows, the ni goes away.
But this is Anekach, right? Okay.
Aneka, that's when Nijanta. Nijanta by default said.
Okay.
So Katitavat Pratipadikam. Strilinga would be
Katitavati.
So therefore,
Katitavati.
Swasa Vartam Akatayat is equal to Katitavati. Right?
Katitavati.
Okay, somebody was saying Katyat. What is a Katyaya? Somebody said
Katitavati.
Katyavati, I told you, it's around something.
Katyavata. Why Katyavata?
No, yeah, Katya.
Katitavat Pratipadikam.
Katitavat.
Kati
Okay.
plus Tavatu. Yeah will not come. Only when Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya Pare, Yak will come. Yeah, Ardhatuka. So directly Kati plus Tavatu. Kati, ni, goes away when the Nishta
Okay.
Pratyaya, state Nishta Pratyaya follows. Tavatu is Ardhatuka Valadi. You can take Ittagama. When that follows, it goes away. So Katitavatu. All this abhyasa has to happen. Okay, you have to tell the form. Katitavat. If you see in Bhashya, Bhashyakara will use if Kriyapadam, if Lakara forms are there, will give equivalent Kridanta forms. So Swasa Katitavati, Swasa Ka Katitavati, Kam Katitavati, Vartam Katitavati, Kasmai Pitre Katitavati, Kadahyaha. Right? Then next one, the Karmani. I mean, Karmani would be Tha Pratyaya, Karmani Bhute. Kartari Bhute Tavatu, Karmani Bhute Tha Pratyaya. So therefore,
Katita.
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 Katita Srilingam.
Ka Katita.
Vartam.
Varta Katita.
Varta.
So Ka Katita, here Ka referring to karma. Ka Katita, Varta Katita. Kaya Katita.
Swasra.
Swastra Varta Katita. Karmani. Okay. Then Rit Lakara. Would be
Kati, Kate, Katayishyati.
Katayishyati. So Rit Shatra also possible. Katayishyan, Katayishyat. Katayishyat is a Pratipadikam. Katayishyanti is Strilinga Pratipadikam. Katayish and Katayat Pullinga would be Katayan, Katayishyan, Katayishyanto, Katayishyantaha. All these are possible. Okay, so if you do like that, so Katayishyanti Swasra Varta Bhavishyati. If you use like that, the form would be like the sentence would be like that. Katayishyanti Vartam Katayishyanti Swasa Bhavishyati.
Bhavishyati.
Okay, the next one, continue. Trich.
It should be Katayita.
Katayita. Srilinga would be Katayitri. Right? Katayitri. Rukaranta will take Eat Pratyaya. Katayitri. You add E, you get the Srilinga Rupam. Katayitri Swasa. Vartan Katayati. Katayitri Swasa. Katayitri is Trich. Referring to the Karta.
Karta.
Katayitriya Swasra Varta. I mean, just making the Trich as an adjective and using Karmani. Tritiya Vibhakti. Okay, all is possible. Different ways we can make the sentences. Okay, next one. If you analyze like this, any sentence, you will be able to easily figure out what it is. Nul Pratyaya would be?
So the E will get lopa. So Katakaha, no.
Yes. Katakaha.
Katakaha Swasa.
Yes. Vartam.
Vartam.
Asit.
Asitam.
Katakaha will come. That's a catch. You have to see. Katakaha is default
Masculine. Yeah.
masculine.
Kataka.
Katika.
Katika.
When Nul Pratyaya is there, remember that Katika, like we saw that previously.
Katika. Okay.
All this form will be Katika. Okay. Karaka, Karika, iti Katika. Okay, next one.
Lut would be Katanam.
Katanam. Yes, simple.
Katanam Vartam.
Vartayaha Katanam Kirtavati. You can suppose we say Katanam, you are saying, okay, it's another point you see. You are using Bhave. Bhave is that denoting the action as it's the abstract noun, bhave. Katanam. Then you have to use kru dhatu. You don't have choice. Katanam, karishyati or karoti or kritavati if you use. So, swasa, varta is karma. Vartayaha, you have to make it shashti bhakti. Swasa, vartayaha katanam kritavati. Swasa vartayaha katanam kritavati is lang akatayat, past tense, or karoti, whatever you can say, right? So katanam, when you say
Okay.
katanam karoti, katanam kritavati, katanam akaroti, you have to use kru dhatu. So bhave, that lut pratyaya denotes pure the action, but it should be supported by the kriya pada, has to be there. Okay. Yes. Next
Tavya
one.
would be
Hmm.
katayitavya.
Katayitavya. So now tell me the sentence. Swasa vartam akatayat. Or you can take katayati. Swasa vartam katayati. Use tavya. Katayitavya you said.
Katayitavya. Swasa katayitavya. Swasa vartam katayitavya.
See, tavya denotes what?
Karta.
How can it denote karta?
Oh, it's no, sorry.
It is kritya pratyaya. It denotes karma. How can it denote karta? Varta katayitavya. The news should be told, right? The message should be told by whom? Swastra. Okay, I think I should use this prayoga in the vakyam also. Otherwise, we will know the vyutpatti of all the forms. You know the derivation of all the rupam, but we may not be able to know how to use it. So, varta katayitavya. Katayitavya denotes karma. Katayitavya, therefore varta has to be in prathama vibhakti. Varta is strilinga, therefore katayitavya. Varta katavitavya kaya swasra.
Swasra. Okay.
The previous sentence, if you take, what is the previous sentence? That also you try using tavya. Previous sentence was tadayat was that, right? Upadhyayaha tam tadayati. Use tavya.
Let the boy. Okay, so.
Tadayitavyam tam upadhyayena.
Come on, how you can say tadayitavyam tam? No.
Object. Okay.
Tadayitavya is karmani. So saha tadayitavyaha upadhyayena.
Okay. First, yeah. Prathama.
Tadayitavyam, see, tadayitavyaha saha balakaha, saha tadayita. He should be beaten up. Kena upadhyayena. Tadayitavyam is napumsakalinga. If something is napumsakalinga, then you can say trinam tadayitavyam. You can say trinam.
Yeah, got it.
So upadhyayena saha tadayitavyaha, right? Okay. So like that you have to use. But in the vakya, it is if it is a qualifying, then you accordingly have to use the vakya. You have to see the sentence. But in this sentence, tadayitavyaha saha. So you have to use like that. Suppose if you use aniya, what will happen? Upadhyayaha tam tadayati. Vakyam is there. Aniya, if you use
Tadaniyam.
yes. Upadhya. Tadaniyam is okay, but the sentence, make the sentence.
Upadhyayena.
Saha tadayaniyaha.
Hmm.
He should be beaten. That's what the parents tell. Upadhyayaha saha tadayaniyaha. The boy, they should be beaten up by Upadhyaya. Okay. So
Charanji,
similarly,
yeah.
yeah,
Charanji, if there's no karma, then how does it become
very good,
like sallapitavya?
very good. Karma is not there, then use
No karma.
napumsaka.
So tabhyam sallapitavya.
Napumsakalinga, bhave prayoga napumsakalinga.
Bhave napumsakalinga.
Tau sallapataha. Now, what is the tabya form of tabya raniya form of that? What is tabya?
Sallapitavya.
Sallapitavya.
Sallapitavya. Sallapitavya.
So tau sallapitavya. Now tau sallapataha
Tabhyam.
is tabhyam sallapitavyam. Tabhyam sallapaniyam. Right?
So no karma. So
No
what is
karma
the meaning
bhave.
then?
Huh? What is it?
Meaning
is-
is
Conversation should be done by them.
Okay.
Karaniyam should be
Should
done
be
by
done.
them.
Should be done.
So that it should be done. That's what Krityaha Visa Praisha Atisarga Praptakaleshu Arharteva Yogyarteva that Avashyakarteva. Remember?
Yes.
I think we did Krityas, right?
Yes. Yes. In Kritya, there are 5.
Yes, important
Prayogas.
topics. Yeah,
Yes.
Kritya, Nijanta, and all. So
So in the sense of ought to be done, not
ought
should
to
be
be
done.
done, should be done, and that meaning it counts. So Sallapaniya, Sallapitavya, and yet Pratya will can be used, becomes Sallapya,
Sallapya.
Sallapyam, Tabhyam, that Karta will go in Tritiya. Right?
Tabhyam sallapyam.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you.
So next one, Krishnanji.
Huh.
Aniyar also we did. Kataniya.
Swasa Varta Kataniya.
Kataniya or Katayaniya?
No, the E will get lopa, right? Kataniya,
Yes,
right?
Kataniya only. Yes. The next one.
Twa.
Twa.
Kati Sidagama will happen. Katayitva.
Katayitva, good. Kati plus twa pratyaya. Not said. Therefore, it will be there. Kati will become kati plus
Okay.
twa.
Katayitva.
Yeah. Kati plus twa. Kati plus twa. What will happen? Kati plus twa. The twa is ardhataka paladi. It will take itagama. So kati plus itva. Kati plus itva. Kati itva has to come dirgha sandhi. Why?
Guna will happen. Guna will happen, then Sandhi.
Yes, guna will happen. How can guna happen? It is top pratyaya, kit pratyaya. So when the twa pratyaya is a set, then it will not be deemed to be kit. When twa pratyaya is a set pratyaya, na twa set, then it will not be deemed to be kit. Therefore, it can cause angakarya. Kati become kate, kate plus itva, katagitva. Right? You can note. Many such rules are there, but this is one rule is enough. Na twa se. The kittam is negated for twa pratyaya when it takes itagama. Okay, next one. Continue. Left would be
Left would be Upasarga would be like which Upasarga should I add?
you can add pra upasarga, some upasarga, so many pra you can add.
Some, okay.
Pra you can add.
So pra plus Kati plus left. And so that Tukagama will happen.
Why tukagama? Pra plus kati plus lyap.
Oh, the E will get lopa. So prakat.
Yes. Prakatya.
Yeah.
Prakatya. Right? That's the form.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
in Nijanta, we have seen something that you have to recall. I know it's difficult because so many topics you have seen. It's difficult to recall, but if you recall, it is very good. What is that? Lyap pratyaya in Nijanta visa. Nijanta document you have to check, which I have sent. There, if you see, anybody can you see?
Something will happen. Some agama will happen.
Not agama. Please find out. If you tell, I will be happy. Okay, you remember that. At least it's on the document. If you find out, it's enough. What will happen when Lyap pratyaya? We have seen the changes happening to Nijanta when different pratyas follows. So when Lyap pratyaya follows, something we saw.
One second.
Remember? Okay. Don't remember, I will tell. You see this Nijanta Rupam.
Oh, so I will happen.
When Lyap follows the Nijanta with the Lagu Upada, the Ni will be replaced by I.
I.
This is difficult to remember. Just we have seen this. Example, Shamdhatu we have seen. In fact, Shamdhatu only we have taken as an example. Pra plus Sham plus Twa. Upasarga is there. Twa is replaced by Lyap. So pra plus Sham plus Lyap. Prashamya. Prashamya. This is Sham is not Nijanta. It is Anyanta. Anyanta Dhatu. Now, Nijanta Rupam of Sham would be Sham plus Nich. What will happen? Sham plus Nich. This Prashamya is a Anyanta Lyabhanta Rupam. Anyanta is not Nijanta. Anyanta Lyabhanta Rupam of Sham is Prashamya with Pra Upasarga. Prashamya. Now, Nijanta we are going to do. Nijanta to Shamdhatu you add Nich. What do you get? Nijanta Rupam. Shami. Think. It will become Shami. Sham plus Nich will become Shami. After that, what will happen? Shami. Mitam Rasvaha. Right? You have seen Gatadigana will be considered to be myth. In that, Sham is there. You have to recall. Amanta will be considered to be myth. We have seen Gam, Nam, etc. All these are Amanta Dhatu. Do you remember? All of you.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Amanta Dhatu considered to be myth. Therefore,
Yeah.
Pada Dirga will happen because of which it will become Hrasva. Shami.
Haswa.
Now Shami. Shami is the Nijanta. Now Pra plus Sham plus Nich plus Twa. What will happen? Here, this is where this rule comes. Twa is replaced by Lyap because Upasarga is there. Sham plus Nich is Shami. So Pra plus Shami plus Nich. But here we say the Nich is replaced by I. This is what the rule said. That is, when Nijanta takes Lyap pratyaya and Nijanta having Upada is Lagu Upada. Lagu Purvat. So, Lyap following a Nijanta Rupam having its Upada Lagu. Lagu is what? Rasvaha Lagu. Short. Then Nich will be replaced by I. So, when Nich is replaced by I, what you will have? Prashamaya iti Rupam Bhavati. Prashamaya. Understand?
Yes.
See the rule again. When Lyap follows a Nijanta Dhatu with the Lagu Upada, he will be replaced by I. So Prashamaya. Similarly, Gam Dhatu if you take, what will the form? Pragamaya. Nam Dhatu if you take, you will get Pranamaya. At Dhatu I am doing here. At plus Nich. At is that Nich is replaced by I. Prataya. Sorry, Prataya. Pra plus yes, this is the Prataya. Similarly, Nam Dhatu, Pranamaya, Pratamaya. The same thing for Kat Dhatu also. Now, if you do Kat Dhatu, let me do it here itself. Kat Dhatu. What will be the form now? What will the form of Kat Dhatu?
Prakatya.
Prakataya.
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 Prakataya is the Rupa. So pra plus kat dhatu plus mich. Mich is replaced by I. So you get the form. Prakat tayya. So this is a Payanta. Okay. Okay, fine. Continuing. The next one. Next one is, understand this, Prakataya.
Yes, Jia.
SJ.
Remember that Lagu Upada is there, then you have to apply, which is replaced by I. We have seen this in Nijanta. So Twa and Lyap is done. Tumun would be Katayitum.
Katayitum.
Right? Katayitum. Okay. I think we can stop here. How many Vakyas we did today? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentences. We can do, in fact, still more Vakya possible. We will do it after some time. After some time, we will do Sananta, Yanganta, Young look Anta. All those things we can do. Sananta is frequentative. Sorry, desiderative. Sananta is desiderative. Yanganta is frequentative. So those things also we can derive from this dhatu. So if you do, then the knowledge will be thorough in using those forms. But certain basic things you should not forget, that you have to be very strong. Practice each sentences. So we don't have to do many examples, but small sentences can be even, can expand, use all the forms. Okay, so we stop here. We'll continue infant reader next class also. It takes 2 classes to complete this. It's okay, because we have, our level is not simply reading the infant reader. If you want infant reader, just meaning, that is simple. You cannot very well understand that. You have to do something bigger. Okay, we stop here. Any doubts before we close?
No, Ji.
No, Shanji.
No, Sharanji.
Please do abhyasa, practice. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevava Shishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
Dhanyawad, Ji.
Dhanyavad.
Dhanyawad, Sharanji.
Dhanyawad, Shanji.
See that Nijanta notes you said you were preparing, no?
It's preparing, going on and on
Okay,
and on.
okay.
But
After finishing.
but I sent you, I think, without this. Did I send you?
Mhm. No, I think.
No, I don't think so, Sharanji.
Okay, one document I will send, which is halfway. It is there. You can go through that. It has got a
Because
whatever
will
you
be
did in the
easy.
class.
No, it will be easy for us to follow from your notes. Then the book. No,
Yes,
we,
I'll send you.
okay.
But
You
still we
also
have to
maintain
apply,
your notes.
Sharanji. Yeah.
You also maintain your notes. That's important. You have to write notes.
Yeah, we
Yes,
are
Sharanji.
doing that.
I'll send.
But you make it very easy and
Yeah.
no, you summarize all the rules and give it to us in a nice, easy platter, Sharanji.
Easy to remember actually. And
I'll
easy
send
to
you.
follow also.
Yes, I'll send you the notes, which is halfway done. You can use it for time being. Then later, the complete one I'll do it.
Thank you, Sharanji.
Okay, Dhanyavad.